Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the construction of a motorized do-it-yourself slider. I wanted a do-it-yourself slider for my talking head videos to record video from a second angle and discovered that the prices were exorbitant and ran into several tens of thousands of rupees. As I didn't find sufficient value in these for my purpose of solo talks on health topics, I decided to build one myself. In fact, I've recently built a do-it-yourself slider based on a DC motor in which the camera platform can move in both directions on pressing the relevant switch. I've uploaded a video of this over here. You can have a look at it here. The slider that I will be talking about today was built previously. It is based on a cabinet slider and it is pulled by a synchronous motor. The slider moves in one direction and after completion of the unidirectional movement can be configured to move in the opposite direction by reversing the positions of the motor and the slider. It can also be used manually in both directions and in horizontal and vertical axis. I will show some footage of this at the end. I have uploaded a two-part video on this slider here. The purpose of this video is to show how a second foam camera can be mounted on this slider, will give a second camera angle and will record a moving image of me during interviews or talking head videos. This slider has been built on a drawer cabinet, a synchronous motor connected to the main power set. I bought these two main components on Amazon for a cost of 750 rupees. I bought the other parts like a pigeon plate, wooden pulley, quick coupling plate locally. The slider can be extended in one direction by 24 inches to one side. To the bottom layer of this 3-layered slider, I have attached a quick coupling plate to be attached to a tripod quickly. It can also be supported at both the ends by two mini light stands for more stability. I have fixed a 2-inch by 2-inch wooden plate to serve as the camera platform. To this wooden plate, I have attached a phone clamp. The motor is fixed to a locally made pigeon plate mounted on a mini light stand. The motorization of this wooden block occurs by a synchronous motor here held on a clamp to a mini light stand by a winged nut. This is a pigeon plate to which this motor, synchronous motor, has been attached by these screws, one here and another here. To the shaft of this motor is connected this wooden pulley. It has got thread wrapped around it. This thread passes and is anchored to the nut on the wooden block, which is anchored to the top layer of the slider. So as this wooden pulley rotates under the effect of electricity, it will wind and the thread will be wound around this wooden spindle and it will pull this wooden block, and with it the camera will also move from this end to this end. This distance is about 24 inches. So I'll get a lateral movement of 24 inches with this camera. When the motor rotates, the thread winds around the pulley and pulls the camera platform from left to right until it reaches the end of the slider. When this happens, I switch off the motor by a switch. The motor is powered by electricity from the home supply. A two-way switch connected to this motor reaches me and allows me to switch it on or off. When the camera has reached the end, I can turn it off. Let's look at some test footage shot with this slider. Here is footage of me recorded in a talking head video. Here is footage recorded with this slider manually in the horizontal and vertical directions. The total cost was around 3000 rupees. Hope you enjoy this video. If you happen to develop other ideas about motorized sliders, let me know in the comment section. Like it, share it, subscribe to my channel and press the notifications icon so that you can watch other videos when I upload them in future. Stay connected and see you in the next video. Bye for now.